Alright y'all, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle and the half deadbolt, or single deadbolt I should say, that we got this time around is something I just picked up today. I was at my local Ace hardware, or home improvement store if you will, and picked this thing up just to check it out. Pro Source, again, single cylinder deadbolt, meaning it's just a deadbolt, basically a keyed on one side, so it's got the thumb turn on the other side. So if it was a double deadbolt, it would have a lock or a keyed cylinder like this on both sides. So this is a single, okay? So keep that in mind when you're buying these things. A double, if you had one of these on both sides, you got to remember, if you needed to get out in a hurry, fire or something like that, you better know where the key is. You see what I'm saying? So sometimes these are a better choice, all right? So we're going to lock it, and I'm going to show you why I was slightly disappointed when I installed it, because all I did was take, now this is the keys by the way, right here. There's a 5-pinner, very standard. It's got that kind of a quick set type keyway. I don't know, what's it say right there? Oh, Pro Source. So bada boom, bada bing. That's how you unlock it, lock it. Another thing I want, pro tip, not really pro, but a tip if you will. When you install these things, make damn sure the hole in your jamb allows for that bolt to throw all the way, okay? Make damn sure of that, because if those bolts don't throw all the way, they don't lock, okay? If you go like that, and then you take your key out, okay, it's not throwing all the way, it will not lock. Watch this. So if the hole was only yay big, you go like that, boom, and you leave, that can still be shimmed open, okay? It has to throw, listen, sometimes they click louder than that, but you get the idea. It's got to throw all the way. Then it's really locked, okay? So if you install these, make sure that has room in the jamb to throw all the way out, all right? Now, the disappointing part was right here. I just put the tension tool in here like so. Now to unlock this, we rotate clockwise. And I just grabbed a rake tool. Boring rake tool, and I went like this. And I opened the lock that fast. Yep. Lock it again. Try it again. Simple triple peak rake. Put it in, gave it a little rakey rake. Of course, now it's not going to work. There we go. You get the idea. Really, really simple with a triple peak rake. So don't put too much faith into these things. Again, if it's a low security situation, maybe even on I don't know what you'd put it on for low security. Me, I want good locks on all my stuff. But anyways, if it's not that high security, this will work. But this thing was, $18, $17.99, so that's okay. But yeah, again, if you want more security than that, pay a little bit more, get yourself a better lock. If not, get one of these. I don't care. It's up to you. But that's it. That is the Pro Source single deadbolt from my local Ace. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I highly appreciate it. Remember, if you're not subscribed yet, you need to do so, because all the cool people are doing it and you don't want to be left out. Think about it.